I remember it so vividly. It seems that it just happened yesterday. However, hard I try to forget that period of my life, I'm unable to do so. I was in grade 10 when I was suspended from the school. The word suspension itself will send shivers down anyone's spine, wouldn't it? I had broken heart of every family member. I was at the ebb of my life. I had nothing to do. I used to sit idle and think about why this had happened. I couldn't convey what I felt to anybody. Solitude was eating a part of me. Whenever I tried to do anything, I always muddled things up. I was becoming dull and did not wish to do anything. It was getting more and more difficult for me. I couldn't even make eye contact with my parents. I hardly slept, and lack of sleep made me irritable. I would sulk whole day long. And one day, while returning from my coaching classes, I saw an advert with the tagline, "Everything happens for a good reason." For months, I had been traveling that route and unconsciously overlooked that hoarding. It was that day when I actually understood the essence of the tagline and the message that lay in store for me. I then thought about giving it a shot. I mean, flipping the coin. And I realized I was thinking all wrong. I always thought, why did it happen to me? I was always unhappy about it. But when I flipped the coin, there were so many possibilities. The initial task I did was accepted my suspension. I wanted to move ahead, leave the past behind. I wanted to change myself for the better. The biggest step I took was started believing in myself. I started to think about making science models. I've been always Phineas and Ferb kind of guy. So yeah, I was thinking of making a different model this time. I tried, but I failed. Tried it again, but still, I failed. I found that none of my models were finished. I displayed lack of concentration. Whenever I tried to build something, I would create it 20% and later get engrossed in something else. After a long time, I discussed it with my parents about my lack of concentration. They advised me to wake up early and pray to God. My dad told me, "It is the supreme power that has made all of us, who wants all of us to succeed. Why would he want you alone to suffer? Believe in yourself and believe in God." God was just correcting your path. Now it's your path and you have to build it on your own and find yourself. His words left an indelible imprint in my mind. I thought about it everywhere and every time. I did what he suggested. I started praying every day. Even I found it interesting. It was the first thing in which I developed an interest. Later then, I realized things appeared to get better. I had a constant thought in my mind to build myself. Things were getting better. It was just like an arrow. Life pulls you back but shoots you to great heights. I always grieved why it had happened to me. But now, when I accepted it, I started to correcting myself. Whenever an individual experiences a mishappening, he or she always thinks about it. They always see the worst possibilities. People overthink. They can't get over it and they get depressed in the process. I thought the same initially, but was determined to change myself for the better. I did not waste time lamenting over what had happened. Instead, I started doing things next impossible. I kept myself busy in some or the other activity. I learned a unique coding language, secured a gold medal in badminton competition, won 2 medals in robotics competition, and completed 7 to 8 different series and a bunch of movies. Those movies and series taught me a lot of lessons, especially English. I emerged as a stronger person and developed a different outlook towards life. I was now ready to go back school with a different personality, with a stronger variant of me, with a lot of dreams. Watching my family happy because of me was the best thing. So, friends, struggles are part of life, but if you look, tragedies happen for your betterment. And for believing in that, you have to accept them. You have to believe in yourself, and most essentially, you have to keep faith in God. After all, everything happens for a good reason. Thank you.